What's up, everybody? This is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're doing a mini tutorial. I know I haven't done one of those in a while, but I got this idea from one of my followers, and she asked me to do a graphic liner tutorial. So I figured what better way to do it than in a mini tutorial. Now, you know my mini tutorials, we get a new skill in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. In order to do graphic liner, you're going to need A, a steady hand, and B, some tools. One of the easiest ways to get a graphic liner is to use liquid liner, and the simplest form of that is just to add a glitter liquid line on top of any liner that you have already put down. So this is the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. They're very easy to use, and you can just pop this on top of any liner that you have already, and instantly, automatically, it becomes a graphic line. We also have the NYX Vivid Brights liners. These are a little bit more difficult to use because once they dry, they crack. So if you're going to use them, you got to use them last, like after you do your face and everything. I also have this Line Out Loud by Palladio. You can get this from Sally Beauty Supply. And this is just a gold liner, and it's like a matte gold liner. I also have the NYX Studio Liquid Liner. So if you want like a neon line, you're not going to get that with these Vivid Brights, but they do work better than the Vivid Brights as they don't crack as easily. And my liquid liner of choice is usually the e.l.f. liquid liner because it's cheap and it works. It dries down matte, and I like the applicator tip. So this is just the NYX liquid liner here. All right. I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks Beauty Waterproof Cushion Color in the shade Cloud Control and Electric Sun. I'm also using the e.l.f. liquid liner for the black that you see here. They come with a brush, but I don't necessarily like the brush that they come with. I went on Amazon and I purchased these nail detailing brushes, and I got a set of 5 for a very cheap price. It's probably like $5 or so. I'll leave the link below. And this is what I use with the Danessa Myricks Waterproof Cushion Liner. With all of that being said, I probably took up half my time. So let's get this liner started. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 3 brush with the Cloud Control liner to make the fatter part of the wing, which is the white part, obviously. Now this is gonna be hard because this is the eye I always struggle with. So let's see how this works. The great thing about graphic liner is you don't have to be precise at all when you first put it down. You just gotta worry about the precision later. But if you have like a steady hand and you can be precise, that's great. But if you're putting down the fattest part of the wing, like the major part of the wing, you don't necessarily have to be precise because you can go back and clean it up with whatever you're going to be putting over it. Now that that's done, I am going to take my black liquid liner and this thin detailing brush from Amazon, and I'm going to go over that line. I'm taking another one of the detailed brushes and going in with Electric Sun to outline the black. Slow and steady wins the race, and it's less stuff you have to clean up. This neon color is kind of playing peekaboo in this graphic liner. I'm going to stop it on the top where the bottom of the wing will start, if that makes sense. So we stop it right here, and then it kind of goes down, and we start it on the inside between the white and the black instead of on top of the black. Finally, I'm going in with the smallest detail brush I own and some foundation to clean up the outer edges of this wing so that we can be nice and straight. So guys, that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you attempt to do this, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter at Glamazon1026, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel, and when the subscription bar changes into a bell, click the bell so that you can be part of the Glam fam and know exactly when I upload. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.